I know a lot of you want to find a great paying job you can do from home, or you're looking for a nifty little side hustle so you can make your payments on the new hoopty. Well, I'll bet you didn't know there's a one-stop shop for all that, complete with hundreds of high-paying jobs that you can do in your underwear, on the couch, or even while you're on safari in Africa. Doesn't matter. Even the easy ones are paying upwards of $45 per hour, and most of these don't require any experience or skills. And some of these, you don't have to do it all, period, and you're still gonna get paid. See, the thing about working from home is you don't have a boss looking over your shoulder, so they don't know if you're actually doing the work yourself or not, right? That's a beautiful thing. And a lot of these websites don't really realize that either, because you can get a job on this website, let's say, and then take that work over to this website where it's like done for you, one click, and then boom, cash in, baby. You might be asking yourself, is this possible? Could it be true? Well, yes, it's possible, and yes, it's true. Then you might also ask yourself, well, how do I get in on this? How do I get started? Well, the first thing you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, because you are in the right place. And the next thing you gotta do is pay attention to this video and watch the whole thing. You may have to pause it, take a couple notes. You may just have to watch the whole thing through, then come back and watch it again. There's no problem there. You know why? Because this is only gonna benefit you. And there's no risk whatsoever, because everything I'm gonna show you today is 100% free, and anybody all over the world can do this. It's available worldwide, planet-wide. I'm not sure if they got this throughout the whole universe yet, but I'm sure we're not far away from that. So maybe you're thinking, well, am I qualified? Maybe I'm not qualified. Well, let me tell you something right now. You're qualified, okay? You're all qualified. I'm qualified. Everybody's qualified. This is not rocket science, people. This is too easy. This is easy money. All you're gonna have to know is how to work the internet. And if you don't know how to work the internet, then stop this video right now and go find a video that shows you how to work the internet, and then come back when you're ready to make some money. So if you can work the internet and you're ready to start making money, then comment down below, I'm ready to start making money. And then comment again, show me how. Show me how I'm gonna make this money. Well, we're about to start that right now. Hey, welcome to Online Moneymaker. Listen, I need you to hit the like button right now. Why? Because I'm about to hit you with the value stick. I'm gonna smash you with the value stick. Okay, look at this. Look at all these work from home jobs here. It's like we just struck gold. Look at all this crap. Video game tester. Look at this. They say stay-at-home moms. Stay-at-home moms. You need to watch this video, okay? Look at all these different options that they have that you can do from home, in your underwear, on your couch. Check it out. All these people found something to do on there. She's from the Philippines. She's from the United States. This guy's from Australia. So everybody around the world is doing this. You know what these guys do? These guys don't go to an office. They don't answer to a boss. They basically do whatever the hell they want. Why? Because they're hustling at home. You really want to keep going to a job if you really still just want a boss. They do have, this website will also find you a job, and you have to have no experience. See that? All you do is type in your area code. See, I'm here in California, Los Angeles, baby. And they'll find you all these jobs if you really want a real job, but I wouldn't suggest that. No, we got something way different in mind here. Trust me. So before we go any further, I need to just get you on this site. It's called cjinc.info. So that's the letter CJINC.info. And this is the website. So I just need to explain this to you a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you the jobs on here that take no effort whatsoever to do. In fact, it's instantaneous. It's a matter of copying and pasting and getting paid, okay? CPP, copy, paste, paid. Hit the like button. See this right here when you get to this website? Creative jobs, work online, earn online, and it's free. Everything is free. All you have to have is a computer, an internet connection, and a smile. Because you're gonna be driving that hoopty. Remember from earlier in the video, the hoopty? You're gonna be driving that thing down the street. They do have other stuff you can do here, like the typical surveys and all that junk, but that's not us. So what you want to do is come to About right here, and we're gonna get to the About page, and we're gonna skip these cheese balls, and just keep scrolling down here. Right away, you can see for a writer, $30 to $45. We're not gonna be dealing with that one. Okay, so come all the way down here, and you wanna hit work from home jobs, and that's gonna take you to the page that's got the list, and what you want to do is put your area or zip code in here or whatever. I don't even think that matters, to tell you the truth, for the work at home jobs. What the hell do they care where you're at? So look at all these right here. You got everything: work home, work at home, virtual assistant, typing, blah 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 blah, game tester. I just want to click on this game tester real quick, see what's going on here. Okay, so you would enter your email address, and you test some games. So if you want to play some video games, go for it. But we're not going to be doing that today, okay? The first one that we want to focus on here is right here, proofreading, okay? So if you hit proofreading, and you'll see different jobs here that require a proofreader. And there is a great way to have a computer do that for you, essentially. Simple. Anybody can do it. So what'll happen is these guys will email you a just whatever, like a piece of paper or something like that they want proofread. And look, they're paying like $15 an hour right here. And the method I'm going to show you, it's basically, it probably takes 5 seconds. So do the math there. So look at this, $15 an hour, $15 an hour. So basically $15 an hour to be a proofreader. So you're gonna get the script or whatever they want proofread into your email, and you're gonna copy that. You're gonna bring that right over here to Quillbot, quillbot.com. And why? Well, this is why right here. Look up here at the top, grammar checker. Just check that box, grammar checker. You'll copy whatever they send you out of your email. You'll paste it right here into Quillbot Grammar Checker. You're gonna push enter, and it's gonna spit out the checked version for you, and you just email it right back. And that takes less than 10 seconds. You can complete that job in 10 seconds and make the $15. You see, this is why. Remember I said that they don't know what you're doing. They don't know how long the work's taking you or whatever. So I'm only assuming that whatever they give you, they're assuming it's gonna take an hour, they're gonna pay you $15, but you just did that in 10 seconds. So I think there's 3,600 seconds in an hour. Divide that by 10, you get you're making like over $300 an hour right here just by doing that. But wait, there's another job over here that I wanna show you. Back on the home page of siegeinc.info, we wanna come about halfway down to see translation right here. Let's see if we can get paid to be a translator, okay? And you may be saying right now, well, I don't speak any other languages other than my own. Not a problem, not a problem. So see what they're paying translators here to translate one page, anywhere from $10 to $30 per page to translate one page of text, okay? They even say right here that the average monthly income from this, working from home, is $1,250, okay? And they say eligibility, read and write, spoken language skill. That's bollocks, man. My friend's from India, he goes, bollocks. So don't worry about any of that. See, they're gonna digitally send you something they want translated, and you're gonna make at least $10 a page at least. And once again, this is only gonna take you about 5 seconds. Let me show you how. Do what any good hustler would do and bring it over to Google Translate, translate.google.com. And once again, this is as simple as pasting the text here and then choosing the language you want it translated into over here. And you can see that they've pretty much got every language on planet Earth covered here. So if somebody wants to pay you to change it into, let's see, Shona. If you don't speak Shona, you do now, according to them. And this is just simple. See, anything you want to do here, paste it in. You can even talk it into this thing if you have a microphone on your computer, and it'll spit out the translation right there. Now, if that's not smashing you in the face with the value stick, I don't know what is. So give me a like, please. Hey, that's the show for today. I gotta go. I gotta hit the town. I'm gonna come back later and make some money translating stuff into Estonian. How about you comment in the section below? what language you're going to translate into. Somebody better say Punjabi. Somebody better say Punjabi. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Online Moneymaker.